Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. If you're having trouble with your Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 10, you're not alone. This is a common issue, but don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get your Wi-Fi back up and running. Let's get started. First things first, make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually turned on. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and where you find the Wi-Fi icon. If it's grayed out, click on it and simply turn it on. If that's not the case, let's move on to the next one. Simply in the search bar, tap on services and open it. Here, search for WLAN, find WLAN autoconfig, right click on it and simply tap on properties. Here you can simply find an option called startup type, tap on it and make sure it's on automatic. Simply click on apply. Once you've done that, simply click on OK as well. By doing that, your Wi-Fi should now be appearing on your screen. And that's it. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10.